Welcome to PaidToday, how to purchase a business phone number for your business. First thing you want to do, open up the business tab on the left and then scroll down to phone and go ahead and open that up. And from here we got no lease numbers. We can go ahead and purchase a phone number on the top right here. And then simply choose an area code that you wish your phone number to be located in. And for me, we'll try 206. And then go ahead and click search numbers. Currently use only US area codes, and then you can see a number of available phone numbers. So you just simply choose the one that you want, and you can see some of these have locations, some of these are just general Washington. For this one, if we try a different area code, and you can see here that these ones have locations associated with them. And then you can also see the abilities over here on the right. And so these voice, SMS, message, MMS, and then fax. We don't see the fax symbol here, so those are not available for these numbers. Just simply use them for voice calling, text messaging, or sending. You can also send images over text, and that's what these mean here. If you see red ones, it'll mean that it's turned off, or if you don't see it, it will not be available as well. And then simply buy the number, and once you purchase the number, your contacts will then have an ability under the details here to either call, so you can call from in-app, or you can also do things under the notes, which is send them SMSs, and you can also use automations to automatically send people text messages if you have their phone number